A problem that you may have encountered with your Elegoo Centauri carbon. I'm going to show it to you before we clean this up, all right? Look at all the bits that fall down to the bottom. Getting them out, I mean, honestly, probably the best way to do it with a vacuum of some sort, which I don't really have here in the studio. So we've gone with the next best thing. They call it the BQ diaper for the Centauri carbon. And here it is. I have a print running up here, so I have to be careful. But look, we have cutouts that are going to go around the jack screws, around the wire back here, around that stepper motor, and then up here. Obviously, I'm going to take this out and clean under it. But just to show you in the video, there we go. That's it. That's all it took. With one hand, I was able to put that in and get it in place. And now when it's time to clean, you got two handles. So you'll just lift up on those. So you use two hands. Obviously, I'm holding the camera and can't do that. And pull it out, dump it in the trash, put it back in, and it makes it easy to get all of those bits that fall down to the bottom after a print job, to get them all dealt with efficiently.